Do you like going to the vet?
Let me see. My big teeth are coming.
Murphy, you stay. Murphy, get your butt.
Oh my God, is that your friend? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Good boy, good boy.
Put your hand in mine. You know that I won't stop until I...
Big guy. Oh, just a happy big guy. Oh, just...
Stop.
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun.
Look at that! Y'all are doing the snoozy.
He thinks we're going outside because that's the only time I put...
Oh my goodness. Hello. Hi, you're so cute.
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog.
Oh. Go, doggy, go!
My hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
All the way.
You're not... Baby.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Oh, don't be suspicious. Don't be...
You pony. Willow, put on my face.
Stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, because I found a stick, and I'm using it today. I got
How about in little bits when it's cooled down outside, so it's not too hot on your paws?
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God!
That's so cute.
Okay, pause. Oh! Look at that! Y'all are doing the snoozy time!
Toby, come on. You gotta clean your ears. I just want to spray you down a little bit with this thing. Come on.
Oh! Look at that! Y'all are doing the snoozy time!
Come back this way. Come on, baby. Come on. Come this way. Oh no! Come back the way you went.
Go play the piano, Millie. Go play the piano. Play the piano. Play the piano. Here you go. Oh, there you go. Go.
She's arguing with a can.
Hi, baby. Hi. You ready to go home?
Cartus, Ball, I love you. Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at.
Go ahead. You already ate it now. Oh, you need me to break it up for you? Serious? Don't need it. We don't need it.
I want to get it.
Only the finest of dining here. 2 boys eating dirt from the ground. 1 girl eating dirt from the green onions. And 1 old woman eating rocks.
His ears? Adorable.
Hey, let me rub a ball.
Happy guy. Oh, just a happy.
Oh my god! Okay, it's happening! Everybody stay calm!
I need you to sign this for me.
You know, watch your mouth.
One day.